hello, hello, hi, namaste, namaste my dear children. Children, I would like to introduce myself. I am Naveen. From today I am going to handle your first language and second language English syllabus. Yes, friends, my dear children, I am very proud today to say that I am going to serve you people once again back, because I am not very far away from Karnataka High School, because the school in which I studied, I am proud to say that it is a 100 years school, Karnataka High School, that where I studied. I am going to serve the same school once again. So my dear children, I would like to thank from the bottom of my heart Sriraksha ma'am, Srimati Sriraksha ma'am, who works in your school office, and also I would like to thank the school principal ma'am, because for giving me this opportunity, a wonderful opportunity to serve you people once again. So my dear children, from today, what we do usually in the classroom also, suddenly in the very first day we are not going to start any syllabus, right? So like the same way, this is our first video class. So I would like to tell you just the importance of our school, Karnataka High School. In such a wonderful institution you people are studying today, in such a wonderful school you people are studying today, that I hope you must have to know this, because this is a very big school which has the very big history, the very far beyond history of 100 years. So in these 100 years, in the past 100 years, the Karnataka High School has contributed so many wonderful personalities to this world. You might take the example of many doctors who are also working in our same Indian country, and also some of the people, the greatest personalities, they are working abroad the country also. So like the same way you can take in the police officers, so many police officers came out from Karnataka High School. So many doctors came out from Karnataka High School. So many lawyers came from Karnataka High School. So many teachers who are building the nations, including me, came from Karnataka High School. So I am very proud to say that I have studied in that Karnataka High School, and today I have got this opportunity to serve you people once again, the same school where I had studied. Along with this, I would like to tell you, my dear friends, each and every person whom you people, like how many of you are watching, I don't know exactly, but each and everyone, how many of you are studying in this school, no, I can surely tell you that you people are going to achieve the greatest heights in your life. This is for sure, because you are studying in such a wonderful school and you are going to gain such a wonderful knowledge and wisdom from this Karnataka High School itself. So my dear friends, so in such a wonderful organization, KE Boards, in such a wonderful school, Karnataka High School, which has already passed 100 years, in such a wonderful and beautiful school you people are studying, and I too have studied. So once again I would like to thank Principal ma'am and Sriraksha ma'am for giving me an opportunity to serve you people. So yes friends, today as this is our first video class, so I'm not directly going to start our syllabus, English first language or second language. Simply I'm going to tell you a short story which might inspire you people also. So the story is all about, I think you people are very much interested in playing games. Yes or no? Yes? Yeah. So especially cricket game for boys, right? So even though for girls also nowadays they are playing cricket. So anyway, cricket is a wonderful game which we all people are very interested to watch. Am I right? So yes, so I'm going to tell you a story, life story of a particular person. Let us see how many of you can guess the name. So I'm going to tell you about a small kid who was in 9th standard, and one day he was watching the cricket match. Suddenly when he watched Sachin Tendulkar scoring 100 century in one particular match, he was enthusiastically inspired by that match, and he thought of becoming a cricket player in his life. Only at the age of 9 he fixed in his mind to become something in his life, and that too to become a great Indian cricket player. So after some days what happened, he went and he joined a particular coaching institution where he started taking the coaching of cricket academy, and after some days he started becoming a national cricket player. Slowly he came to the international cricket also. But one day a very big drastic situation came in his life. So that was, he was holding the bat in the crease. He was trying to defend his bowler. But suddenly in the middle of the test match, he got a message that his father, now he has got a health breakdown and he was admitted to the hospital. And he was batting there and he couldn't go to meet his father also, and he was in such a situation, that dilemma ki what to do, he was trying to understand. But what happens, he wanted to complete his duty for the country, because he was not only playing for his own sake, he was also playing for the Indian country. So he thought that he should play the cricket match first, and after his particular game, then he thought of going to Delhi to meet his father. So he once again went back to the crease and he once again started batting, and he scored 90 runs in that particular test match. And after that particular innings, he went to Delhi. But the very drastic life, before he reached the hospital, his father had already passed away. He got this message and he was literally broke down by his heart, because from the very beginning, who supported him? He was his father, but he felt very bad that I couldn't meet my father for the last time. But even though he felt bad, he was very proud that, because his father, before passing away, he told that to his mother, even though he could not come to meet me at this last stage, I am proud of my son, because he is playing for the Indian country and he is playing for the country, and that makes me very proud of my son. I hope you have guessed the name. Yes, he is none other than your favorite cricket player, Virat Kohli. Yes, Virat Kohli. So why I told this story, my dear friends? See, very simple, because see, this is life. So in life, so many difficulties we suffer from so many difficulties, we face so many difficulties. But the only thing we have to have in our hearts is the belief, the trust that we have to achieve something, that we have to go towards our goal without any interruptions, without any hindrances. We must reach our particular goal, what we have set in our life. So this is what I wanted to tell you all about in my first video class, that in this particular situation we are suffering a lot because of this COVID-19. So I hope you people have also got bored because of sitting in home for hours together, without playing, without meeting your friends in the school, without murmuring there in the classroom, without like doing any jokes, cracking jokes on the teachers. You people are sitting in home right now. So I hope you might be getting bored, but still you people should not waste the time, because time is very precious, my dear children, right? So please try to achieve something in this particular time, in this COVID time. Try to do something creative in your home itself. Let us from today be enthusiastic in my English class, because from today I am completely enthusiastic about English language. So I am going to take this class in completely creative manner. So be enthusiastic. Every day you will get my first video, English video, and every day I will try to do the chapter in the most creative way, in the most interesting way, how you people can consider that to your heart, like how you must try to build the English knowledge or English fluency is like this, that you must never hesitate to speak English in front of thousands together people, lakhs together people. So this is what my ambition is all about. So my dear friends, my dear children, I love you all. Come on, please join your hands with me. Let us once again, the school where I had studied, Karnataka High School, I am very proud to serve once again this school once again. So please cooperate with me. Let us study our syllabus, not only for the purpose of examination, but for the purpose of learning the life lessons, and we will achieve surely the greatest heights in your life, the greatest heights in our lives. Okay, So okay my dear children, once again from tomorrow let us meet with the chapters. Thank you very much. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.